just be best to do a quick demo of this. So to find manufacturing sectors, I would use the SIC code supersectors. You'll notice that these are available at the beginning of the SIC code listing, and you would just pick the supersectors that you thought you wanted. So, for example, there is one here for manufacturing, and what these actually are groups where it pulls together different SIC codes that would fall under manufacturing of some sort. I mean, you could do, various searches, but it would be rather tedious. So the supersectors are not a bad way to proceed for those sort of groups. There is no SIC code for charity. So if you put in charity here, you'll see that there's no specific SIC for charity. So what you would need to do there is use the keyword search. And so if I put in charity or charities, and then take either of those, charity or charities, move that across, you'll see there's 34,000 firms. But you'll see if you create yourself a template view in the list view here, that there are a huge number of different types of actual sectors that they're involved with. So what we could do is create a template here which shows you the company name and number, and then the report code. We'll just take the first two reports, that's the research reports, and the SIC code, and we'll call this report sector. If we add that template, so that's going to list, if I use that template to view the data, report sector, it's going to redraw the 34,000 odd firms, just listing the sectors that they're in and the SIC code for the sectors, and you'll see that there are lots and lots of SIC codes, and that's why you'll need to do it with a keyword. So there's lots of different types of charities involved in all these different sectors and so on, and that's the way I would do it. And just to make the point about the super sector, so if I lose that list, get rid of that one, and if I pick the super sector here for manufacturing, and add that across, you can see there's 150,000 companies, but you might also consider engineering to be, or industrial to be of interest, so you would need to make a decision about that. But once you've got your list, you can put it into the list view and use that template to see which sectors they're actually in, but all sorts of manufacturing basically. So there's the SIC code for those reports. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.